We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still.
Hi, let's start with the introduction. Here's the first chord, and you will have the E major composed of the E, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of E. Then, the C sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. Then, the B major composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B, which you could also play here if you wanted to. And eventually, the A major composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A, which you can also play here. And here's how you're gonna play these chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, you play bass plus chord. On 2, you don't play anything. On 3, you play the chord alone. And on 4, you play the bass alone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So play this chart once for the introduction, and now you can move on to the verse, and you will be keeping the same chord order and the same playing method.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. And when it gets,
And now you're going to play that chart one last time.
and when it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive.
Let's move on to the pre-chorus, and you will have a new chord order. Let me display it right now, and let's resume from there.
We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still.
Then you reach the chorus that you'll be able to play with that new chart, and before I show you how to play in arpeggio, I will first give you an example with blocked chords.
So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home.
And now here's how to play them in arpeggios. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep in the same tempo, you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll do that for each chord.
So you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And with the lyric,
so you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home.
So whether you play with blocked chords or arpeggios, you will need to play that chart once for the first chorus before moving on to a small interlude where you'll play the E major twice. Then you play the second verse and the second pre-chorus with the corresponding charts, and keep in mind that you can also play these chords in arpeggios. Let me display the chart again, and it should sound like this.
Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. A swear it will get easier.
And just like the first verse, you will play that chord twice before ending that section and moving on to the pre-chorus. However, the second chorus is going to be twice as long, so you will play the corresponding chord twice in a row. Then you reach the bridge with this new chord and notice that the chord order is the same as in the pre-chorus, but this time everything is doubled.
Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come home. Na, 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 na.
Then you play the final chorus with the corresponding chord played twice in a row, and here is the last chord for the ending, with the same order as in the chorus but held and sustained for 8 beats.
When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.
I wish you good luck for that song, and I will see you in the next one.